Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem that Bob is facing with his work plan. The problem involves counting the number of boring segments in his work plan for the upcoming days. Bob really dislikes doing the same task for several days in a row, so he decided to figure out how many continuous segments of at least 2 days in his work plan could be considered boring. Sounds like a challenging problem, right? Now, let's dive into the solution that can help Bob out of his boredom. The provided algorithm offers a clever approach to solving the problem in linear time complexity. By keeping track of the maximal exclamation in the single-letter spans, the code efficiently calculates the number of qualifying segments ending at each position in Bob's work plan. This approach allows us to identify and count the boring segments without the need for nested loops, making it a more optimized solution. To summarize, we've explored a more efficient way to solve Bob's boredom problem by optimizing the algorithm to run in linear time. By leveraging the concept of maximal spans for exclamation marks and single letters, the provided solution offers a streamlined approach to counting the boring segments in Bob's work plan. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other algorithmic problems you'd like to see us tackle next. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.